I'm applying Wander Beauty makeup today. Stick around and see how it works out for my aging skin. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Wander Beauty reached out to me to try some of their products, and I'm always interested in check out websites, and a lot of times different companies, both skincare and makeup, and those who are both, have models on their website who are so much younger than I am, certainly under 35, many of them under 30. Well, I'm 60, so I'm always interested in how their makeup will work for me. So let's get right to the makeup. I also have some skincare products from them to show you as well. I'm here with Fresh Face. I have applied my corrector under my eyes and on some dark spots, so now I'm ready for the Wander foundation, and they did send me two different kinds. They first sent me their Nude Illusion liquid foundation, and it comes with a doe foot applicator. It's not really thick, so you want to make sure that you turn it upside down when you open it. So I'll do this foundation on this side of my face, and then they also sent me their powder foundation. Both of these are in their color called Fair Light. And this powder foundation, I really like that it has this plastic piece inside, and the little, what do we call it? The applicator rests on top of that instead of resting in the powder. I have used this before, and I'm going to apply this on this side of my face. I did this yesterday just as an experiment to see if it looked okay. I could tell the difference in my makeup mirror, but later in the day, I really couldn't tell a difference. So I'll start by clipping my hair, and I have a trusty mirror with me here, and we'll start with this foundation. Now, I did find with the liquid foundation that if I dotted it all over my face and then tried to blend it, it tended to dry pretty fast. So now when I apply it to my full face, I only apply it to half of my face, and I blend it first, and then I do the other half. So it's probably just me, but because I have the tear troughs under my eyes, I like to use my fingers first with any foundation to just get it into the nooks and crannies, spread it around a little bit, get it close to my eyebrow. And remember, I'm only going to do half of my face with this one. And then I'm going to use a flat-headed brush, a soft brush, and I'm going to blend it in . I tend to have more of a rosy toned skin tone than a yellow or warm. So this is a little bit on the warm side for me, but it's okay. It covers really well. And it's good for my normal to sometimes dry skin. My skincare has improved over the years, which means my skin isn't as dry as it used to be. I think it was drier when I was in my 40s. Okay, so I'll finish blending in a moment, but now I'm going to get to this product, and I'm just going to use the applicator and swirl it around a bit. And I found it works best if I just pat it on rather than smooth it on. It just goes on better. And I'll do a little bit more. Remember, I'm just doing half my face. I'm also going to use the same brush to blend this. And then when I put it back, I put the little plastic part down first, and then the applicator. I'm going to grab my 5 times mirror, my 5-time magnification mirror, and give it a little look here. So I don't know if you can see this. I'll have to see in the playback, but in my mirror, the liquid foundation is more glowy, which you'd expect. The powder foundation, not so much. The nice thing about the powder foundation is that for mature skin, like I have, it's not settling into fine lines like a lot of powders would. All right. So that's the foundation. Now I'm ready for their blush and highlighter. And it comes in a stick, both of them, one at each end. So showing you the blush side, this is in the color Bear, which I really like. It's kind of a coral rosy color. It's not too pink, it's not too coral, it's not too berry. And what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to apply it to my fingers. Now this took some practice for me, and I'm still not sure that I got it right. It's been a long, long time since I've used a blush that wasn't a powder. And the idea with a lot of their cosmetics is that if you're busy or if you travel a lot, thus the name Wander really works well. You can just take a few of these cosmetics and have them work really well for you. I'm going to put some on this side. I find it works better for me if I apply it to my fingers first. Instead of doing the stick, I might get too much in one place, and it's kind of, you know, once it's there, it's kind of there. Okay. So that's pretty good. And I gotta take my big mirror to help my maturing eyes. And I think that looks pretty good. It has a beautiful finish to it. It has a natural glow. So this color is really lovely if you have fair skin. My neighbors are next door on their deck, and they're working on stuff. They're watching what I'm doing. What's she doing in there? They're wondering. All right, the other end is the highlighter. This is, they call it an illuminator, and it really does have an luminous kind of color. And I'm going to apply this straight. I'm going to apply it straight up on the tops of my cheekbones, under my tear trough. I'm going to put a little bit here, a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to use this dense brush, also a flat-headed brush, to blend that in. So this gives a nice glow without being overly, highlighter, overly luminous. Which, again, at my age, I don't want lots of illumination. I don't want lots of shimmer on my face because it tends to accentuate things I don't want it to accentuate. So what I want to do now, I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll come right back and we'll talk about their skincare items that I have to show you. The first skincare product I have to show you from Wander Beauty is their Fast Lane Instant Facial. I love their colors, by the way. This luminescent pink is so beautiful. Now, this one has a boatload of ingredients in it, and you can do a facial any time of the day. You can, as long as it's on clean skin, you can do it in the morning or in the evening. Now, this particular product has glycolic acid, which is a brightener to remove the top layer of your dead skin cells, lactic acid, which helps to increase the skin's ceramides, increase water retention, and reduce hyperpigmentation, meadowfoam sea oil, which slows the gradual loss of water from the top layer of your skin, allowing your skin to look fresh and dewy for a longer time. And it also has licorice root extract, which acts as a skin conditioner to restore the skin's suppleness and help reduce flaking. So as you saw in the B-roll, I just put a little bit on my hand to show you what color it is. I just put that amount on my skin. I massage it all over my skin and I leave it on for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Another product I have to show you is called the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. Now this is a retinoid product. I put it on right before moisturizer. And some of the skin enhancing ingredients in this are, as I said, retinoid. And retinoid will minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles. It helps to increase your skin's elasticity and slows the breakdown of collagen. It also has squalane. This hydrates the skin with anti-aging properties. Something I hadn't heard of is called dragon's blood. And dragon's blood helps protect your skin from outside aggressors. And it will soothe and firm your skin. And it also has, I'm going to say this, palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, which works to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I just put a little bit on. This one also has a white, creamy appearance, just like the mask I just showed you. This one you leave on, and as it's called overnight. If they say on here, if you use it during the day, to remember to use a sunscreen. I used to say use a sunscreen no matter every day as your last product of skincare before makeup. Every day, 365 days a year, no matter where you live. That's one of my skincare secrets. Another product that they sent me is the baggage claim eye mask. So you can see how they're talking about with their whole line, they're imagining their customer as being somebody who's really busy and perhaps travels. So these I really like. I'm not going to open up because then I'd have to use them right away, but I'm going to show you a close-up in the B-roll. They are either gold or they come in rose gold. But the nice thing is that they attach to your skin really nicely. They don't feel bulky. They're really thin and have a really nice serum in them. So some of the ingredients in this are aloe leaf extract, and that's for soothing and reducing redness. Candelula extract, which has anti-inflammatory properties to soothe your skin. Camu extract, which contains vitamin C to help brighten your skin. It also has peptides in it to help improve the texture and tone of your skin. And it also has a combination of 17 amino acids to help maintain your skin's hydration. These you leave on for anywhere from 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Then you peel them off and toss them. And then with the extra serum that's on your skin, you just pat that in. And then if it's nighttime, you finish off with your nighttime skincare routine. Or if it's daytime, you pat that in and finish with your daytime skincare routine and your makeup and get on with your day. So that is my venture into Wander Beauty. I hope you enjoyed seeing how these products work. Everything is linked in the description box below the video. So open up that description box and that's where all the links are, and check out one of my other videos, like my video on how I got my lashes, my stubby little short lashes, to grow longer so that when I put mascara on them, they look great. That's a video over on the right side of your screen. Just click the image. See you in the next video.